Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the repair of an RTPg series truck pump. This video applies to these pump models. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. To begin, securely clamp the pump to the bench or work surface to keep the pump from tipping. Next, remove the head cap screws. Remove the head. Make sure to tip the head back to keep the idler from falling off the idler pin. Remove the idler. Discard the head gaskets. Note the number and thickness of the gaskets, as these will need to be replaced. Loosen and remove the bearing plate cap screws, and remove the bearing plate. Next, insert a brass or hardwood bar into the port opening to keep the pump from turning. Using a bearing locknut tool or spanner wrench, loosen and remove the locknut. Remove the brass bar. Using a soft-headed hammer, tap on the end of the shaft to aid with removal. Loosen and remove the seal holder cap screws. Remove the seal holder. Remove and discard the seal holder O-ring. Loosen and remove the seal backing plate cap screws, and remove the seal backing plate. Next, remove the two lip seals and seal spacer from the seal holder. Discard the lip seals, but retain the seal spacer for reassembly. Using snap ring pliers, remove the inner bearing snap ring. Next, using a bearing puller, remove the inner and outer bearings. Use snap ring pliers to remove the outer bearing snap ring if needed. Inspect the pump parts for wear and ensure they are clean and free of debris. Replace any worn components. You are now ready to reassemble the pump. Using snap ring pliers, reinstall the inner bearing snap ring. Next, lubricate the leading edge of the bore and place a new bearing onto the pump. Using an arbor press, press the bearing until it is seated against the inner bearing snap ring. Using snap ring pliers, reinstall the outer bearing snap ring. Next, place a new bearing onto the pump. Using an arbor press, press in the bearing until it is flush with the housing. Before you install the rotor shaft, remove the pipe plug at the base of the pump. Place a new lip seal with the flat side up into the seal holder. Using an arbor press and a press fixture large enough to cover the seal, press in the seal until it is fully seated. Next, place the second lip seal with the flat side up into the seal spacer and press in the seal. Using your thumbs, press in the lip seal and spacer assembly into the seal holder. Make sure the lip seal is facing up. Reinstall the seal backing plate and cap screws. Specific torque settings can be found in the technical service manual. Next, pack application-compatible grease between the two lip seals. Lubricate and install the seal holder O-ring. Reinstall the seal holder and seal holder cap screws. Specific torque settings can be found in the technical service manual. Next, lubricate the shaft and carefully install through the lip seals. Insert a brass or hardwood bar into the port opening to keep the pump from turning. Install the lock nut. Torque to the appropriate torque setting. This can be found in the technical service manual. Remove the brass bar. Install the bearing plate and bearing plate cap screws. Torque to the appropriate torque setting. Specific torque settings can be found in the technical service manual. Apply a continuous bead of gasket sealant to the head. Place the appropriate number of gaskets onto the head. These gaskets will set the end clearance. Install the idler onto the idler pin. Install the head. Ensure the relief valve is pointed toward the suction port. Install the head cap screws. Torque to the appropriate torque setting. This setting can be found in the technical service manual. Now check the end clearance. There should be a slight drag when checking with feeler gauges. Add or remove head gaskets in order to achieve the appropriate amount of clearance. Next, apply thread sealant to the casing drain plug and install. Finally, ensure the pump turns freely. Your RTPg series truck pump has been repaired and is ready to be put back into service. For more information or to view other service videos, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.